Okay, so today I can finally continue with my 1.6 build of the half truck. The hobby house is going good, so I can finally start, see if I can make some progress. I scaled up 1 to 10 to 1.6, and I have what kind of screws I need for making 1 to 10. It's M2 and M3. So I took some random pieces that I have printed. And for instance, this one are supposed to have M3. This is M5. And M3 is, the M5 is actually screwable. I can screw it in. I can't push it through. So I'm not sure. Maybe someone actually knows how to scale up the screws. I don't. First time for me. This is M6, and the thing is that this one is supposed to go here, and it's a little gap here, and M6 is too big here, and it's huge here. It's no way you can screw it in actually. So M6 is as far as I can figure out too big, and M5 is not sure actually. Let's see what we have. See if we can find. This one is also supposed to be M3, and M5 goes through, and that's good because it's supposed to be a nut inside here. And let's see if we can even put the M5 nuts. A M5 fits perfectly. Let's see. M6. No, M6 is no way. So again, M5 seems to be the correct. Let's see if we can find this piece. Same here. M5 is maybe a little too small, but M6 is not going to fit at all. So far it's like M6 is too big and M5 is like not perfect. Here is supposed to be M2 and M5 is there is no way. So let's check M3. This is M3. and M3 is too small. So I need to get my hands on M4 because it seems that M3 will be too, I mean, here it's actually fit. I'm a little lost. I mean, here it doesn't matter if it goes through because this one is sitting here and here it's actually smaller holes. Here M3 will work. So maybe it's like this. M3 will be good where the M2 are supposed to be, and M5 will be good where M3 is supposed to be. If anyone knows how to scale these screws up or how anyone else have done, you're more than welcome to make a comment. Give me a little advice on this. Otherwise I will invent this for myself and share. But for now it seems all the pieces that we tried, M5 is good where M3 are supposed to be, and M3 are good where M2 are supposed to be. I need to get my hands on M4, it seems. I need to get M4 to try. It seems like M2 sometimes will be M4. As you can see, here it's too small with number 3 instead of 2. And number 5 is not even close. There is no way we can push this inside here. Okay, so we will make notes. I will get my hands on some M4 because now I just bought some small packs just to try, and once I figure it out I will follow what Carlos wrote with the number, and I can order the correct number of screws for this. But yeah, it's been really good. It's really nice to be back in building. So yeah, if you know how to scale up the screws, please comment. Otherwise I will see you next time. I will try to figure out, and the build is going to finally start again. So see you around and have a really good evening.